Lovely. Hello, friends. At the end of day 12, I think I have learned a lot with regard to being a public speaker. The first thing I have learned is using my body, using my own body as a prop, using my uh, hands, my gestures, my expressions whenever I speak to my audience. The second I have learned is make it very authentic, make it very genuine, and connect with the audience to a different level. The third thing I have learned is always use your own examples to make it sound more connected with your audience. So, Nidhi, you've really empowered me to be a better speaker, and I will always remember how to start with a good question quote and how to end with something that could be really thought provoking. So, thank you, Nidhi, and I have really grown to being a great speaker in this past 10 to 12 days. Thank you.